What's up, my filthy friends? I'm back because I got a disease where I can't hang on to one piece of technology. I gotta keep on trying everything. So this is my third mechanical keyboard in the last 2 or 3 weeks. This one is the Happy Hacking Keyboard HHKB Professional 2 black, or I guess charcoal printed model. There it is, PBT keycaps except for the freaking spacebar. I don't know why, but texture is excellent. And I added some custom keys on there. The function layer to do up, down, left, right, whatever. Those are supposed to be for WASD, but I fit them onto there. And the only thing is each layer of keys has a different I guess height, so you can see the down arrow is a little bit different than the rest of the layer, but it doesn't make a difference to me because I can easily look down and see the lavender purple color and do my arrow keys. Also, mainly for Starcraft reasons as well as just touch typing reasons, I put some red keys up on a couple of the numbers. There's the escape on the 5 and then the 10, because also the number layer is also the F key layer, if you can see the front print on there. It's really dark to see at night, you can't really see the numbers, so the red keys help me find the numbers easier, because then I know where the 5 is, so then the 4 and the 6 are relative to that. And the 0 for F10 is also there, and that's where I use some of my hotkeys. I use 5 for my hatcheries, etc., and then I can locate the other keys really quick just using my peripherals. A lot of people have already done videos on the HHKB, so I won't be talking too much about it. I will mention one thing: I do love the extra USB ports. Right now I have my Razer Orochi in there, and then I also just use a short USB mini cable. One thing I did notice is the feet. The stock feet are really slippery, so I added those little square things, and they help when the keyboard is all flat. And there's 2 levels of feet, extra feet height or whatever, and those can come out too, but then it gets a little slippery again. But I just use it on the flat surface, and it's hooked up to my MacBook, and there's a Mac mode there to make command work as commands, you know, command copy, paste, all the command options that are available on OS X. Caps lock is the control. Works great. Function key. So most of you guys probably already know the HHKB layer if you're watching this, and if you're just watching for fun, well, it's a great layout. Everything's accessible. Function layer just lets you use a lot of the other keyboard functions. Anyway, this is the topre keys. So they're not the same as the Cherry MX mechanical keys. They have a different clop clop sound. It's capacitative. Sorry, I don't have my key puller out right now, so I can't pull one out to show you what it looks like underneath, but you can probably look in another video to see what that's like. But I'm going to do a quick 1-minute typing test just to show you or how it sounds like, because everybody likes that. Alright, there it goes. I'm just going to use speed test 10 or something, fast fingers. Just type a bunch of words. Alright, here we go. pretty good results. 99 words per minute, 0 incorrect. Really like this keyboard. It's accurate because my old Cherry MX Red, I loved them for typing, but there's no tactile feel. It's a little light, even though they're both measured, I believe, at 45 grams for actuation. These actually have an actual tactile feel. It's a little more difficult to make typing errors, and you'll notice the backspace delete keys right above the return key. I've gotten used to that really quickly. So yeah, hopefully you got a good feel of how it sounds, and that is my HHKB Pro 2 little first look, quick look, I guess you can call it, mini review. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Thanks for subscribing. Love y'all.